Do you find that you're seeing a lot of budget wasted on clicks that aren't converting inside your Google Ads campaign? If so, we're going to show you how bid adjustments work inside Google Ads in today's video and how to use them to focus all your budget on the specific aspects of your campaign that are performing best so that your budget is effectively being spent on what's working and not being spent on what isn't. And just to briefly explain what bid adjustments actually are inside Google Ads, they're a percentage increase or decrease in your bids, and they allow you to show your ads more or less frequently based on where, when, and how people search. So we're going to show you the different ways of optimizing your bid adjustments. But for example, as I show here, sometimes a click might be worth a lot more to you if it comes from a phone rather than desktop at a certain time of the day or from a specific location. And we're going to show you how to make bid adjustments for all of these aspects inside today's video. Now, first of all, we're going to show you what this looks like for devices. So what you can do inside your Google Ads is go to when and where ads are showed and then devices and see how your ads are performing on mobile phones versus computers versus tablets. And now what we will say as well, when it comes to making bid adjustments, there are different ways of determining, how much of a positive or a negative bid adjustment that we're going to add based on the results that we're seeing. The simple way that we like to do so is look at the average cost per conversion, first of all, for all of the devices or all of the days of the week or all the locations that you're targeting. And if one of those have a cost per conversion that is better than this average cost per conversion, then you can add a positive bid adjustment for that accordingly based on how much of a relative increase or decrease it is. Whereas if you have something that has a cost per conversion that's roughly the same as the average, then you can keep that as is. And if you also see something that has a cost per conversion that's a lot higher than the average, then you can add a negative bid adjustment for that. And it's also worth mentioning as well that before you make bid adjustments to any aspects of your campaign that we're showing in this video, you want to make sure that they have a significant amount of data to know that it's actually worth making that bid adjustment. Because if you've only had a few clicks on phones and a few clicks on computers, for example, then you don't actually know which is performing best, and there might be clear outliers that don't actually represent a significant amount of data to actually be able to make a decision on what's performing better. But for example, here we've found that so far in this campaign that desktop has a higher conversion rate and lower cost per conversion than phones. And so we've added a positive bid adjustment for 15% to computers in this case. And if you wanted to add a positive or negative bid adjustment to phone, for example, all you have to do is select the device, press edit, change bid adjustments, and then you can increase or decrease this by whatever bid adjustment you like. And let's say you wanted to increase this by 20%, then what that means is that if you have a $10 bid, then that bid will then become $12 because it's an increase in 20%. The next place you can come to make bid adjustments then are your actual locations. So come down to your locations inside Google Ads. And if you're targeting, a few different locations, then what you can do is once they all have significant data and a lot of clicks, as you can see here, then you might be able to see that some locations have a much higher conversion rate and lower cost per conversion than everywhere else. And if so, you're able to make bid adjustments accordingly as well. So you can see here that for the total locations that our average cost per conversion is about €18. So we can see that if anything has a cost per conversion of much less than that, then we could add a positive bid adjustment for that location. And if we had a location, for example, here with a higher cost per conversion than that, then we could add a negative bid adjustment for that location. So let's just say here that since our cost per conversion is 26, whereas the average for all of our locations is 18, then we can select this location like this, same process again. So press edit, change bid adjustments, and we could decrease this then by about 25 or 30% because our average cost per conversion is about 25 or 30% worse than the average. So that's just an indication as to, how much to increase or decrease your bid adjustments by at any given time. Next one then is your ad scheduling bid adjustments, and we actually made a separate video on this specifically if you'd like to check that out, which I'll leave the link for up above. But what you can do is if you're targeting specific days of the week, for example, and again, once you have significant data, you can look at the days of the week that are performing best and add positive bid adjustments for those that have lower cost per conversions than the average, and obviously add negative bid adjustments for any days of the week that are performing worse than the average. So you can see just in this example here, we added a positive bid adjustment of 10% for Tuesdays because our average cost per conversion on Tuesdays is less than every other day of the week. Whereas in reality, this bid adjustment could have been made to about 20% because it's nearly about 20% better than the average. But you can go through each day of the week then and see how they compare with the average and make your positive or negative bid adjustments accordingly. And what you can also do then as well is go to your audiences and make bid adjustments based on age and gender, which are the main two. A lot of countries countries don't show household income, so we can't make adjustments here. But if you're in the US, for example, you should be able to make adjustments based on household income as well. But for age and gender, you can make your positive or negative bid adjustments depending on which is performing best. And we also have a more detailed video on optimizing your audience as well if you'd like to have a look at that. But just to briefly summarize, for here, when you have age selected, for example, you can show your table, and what you want to do then is change this to campaign view, and you can see quite clearly then which age groups inside your campaign is performing the best across all the ad groups rather than having to look at every ad group individually. And let's just say you wanted to add a positive bid adjustment for 45 to 54-year-olds. Then what you want to do to add a bid adjustment, and this can apply to gender as well as age, is change this to ad group view first of all, and then press add filter and press age. And let's just say, for example, 45 to 54-year-olds was the bid adjustment we were looking to make it for. We can select that then, so that way it's only 45 to 54-year-olds selected, and then just select them all, and press edit, change bid adjustments, and then you can increase or decrease this bid adjustment as you like. And that's the exact same process you follow to make a positive or negative bid adjustment at the gender level as well. But just to show you as well what it looks like for gender, so you can switch from age to gender here. And what you can do again is just change this to campaign view. And you can see, for example, in this campaign, that female has a slightly lower cost per conversion than male. So in this case, you could, for example, add a slightly positive bid adjustment of around 10% female over male. But you can see here that both genders are performing more or less equally well. Now, I hope this video helped show you how to make bid adjustments to specific aspects of your Google Ads campaign to focus your budget on what's really performing best. Because the most common areas of optimization are obviously your keywords, your ads, and your landing pages. But there are more specific aspects as well that you can make specific bid adjustments to, where if you notice that specific locations, days of the week, or demographics are performing better than others, then it makes more sense to bid more on the ones that are performing best and less that aren't performing as well. And now, if you do have any questions at all about bid adjustments inside Google Ads or any other aspects of Google Ads in general, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you are a service-based business looking for further help refining your own campaign, feel free to have a look at the link in the description down below. And if you do like this Google Ads related content as well, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as we'll be posting all things related to Google Ads here daily. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video.